That's how much of the adobo that they sell every day. And the adobo is a mixture. And actually that red-orange color comes from the annatto seeds, which are used in Mexico, which are used in the Caribbean, and which have found their way to the Philippines. But that's a marinade. There's vinegar in there. That's what makes it orange. They're like big, huge chunks of belly and parts of the skin of the pig. They get deep fried until crispy. You just see them, they come out sizzling. That's what an amazing wok. It's just raging fire. He just keeps that like oiled and just keeps those flames high so that it burns really hot. And those fry until they're like ultra crispy again. That's another one of their specialties here that a lot of people love to eat. Still gotta try the dry adobo.
Dry adobo, yes.
This is one of their signature dishes here. Let's try it.
Pick your...
Wow. Fatty, fried. Oh, wow.
Really tastes good.
It's so crispy and so fatty. Just melts in your mouth, actually. Wow.
The oil like bound to your mouth.
It kind of like liquefies on your tongue, and then at the same time, you have the crispiness, ultra crispiness of the skin.
A good one. Really good. Very good.
Yeah, man. What a meal. Everything is delicious. Everything is really good.
Try again.
It's addictive.
Yeah, I'm glad he made it.
Thank you guys.